Most people waste hours applying for jobs online. They send CVs to the void and get nothing but automated rejections. But here's the truth. The best opportunities are not on job boards, but they are on LinkedIn waiting for you to unlock them. Let me ask you, how many job applications have you sent this month? Take a moment to think about it. Are you tired of feeling like your applications are disappearing in the black hole? I bet you are, and you are not alone. Today I'll show you exactly how to make your LinkedIn work for you, so jobs start coming to you instead of the other way around. I'm Nina. I've been working in the international recruitment for more than 13 years. I help companies hire top talent across the Middle East and Europe. I myself worked and lived in different countries, and I help my clients land jobs all over the world, even without an EU passport. And if I purely relied on job boards, none of this would have happened. As a recruiter, I've seen what works. As a job seeker, I've lived it. As a career consultant and expert myself, I've helped hundreds of people repeat the same system and land jobs without endless applications. If you've been struggling with your job search, you are in the right place. Before we continue, grab a pen and paper. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing actionable advice that you would want to note down. Are you ready? Let's transform your job search together. When I first applied for a job in Dubai, I sent out 50 applications and got zero response. I felt completely invisible. But the day I started using LinkedIn differently, within 2 weeks I had an interview invitation. Does the story sound familiar? Share in comments if you've experienced the same. I'd love to hear your job search journey. Here's what I see every day. Professionals apply to 50, 100, 300 jobs per day. They spend hours writing cover letters, adjusting their CVs, only to hear crickets because job boards are overwhelmed. Recruiters get hundreds of applications daily, believe me. You may just get lost in a pile. I've been on the other side of the screen. I've rejected more CVs than I can ever count, simply because they didn't stand out. I'd open a job and see 200 plus applications. What do you think? I would read every line? Of course not. I'd scan the first few and reject the rest. And by the way, don't forget, before I even check your application, go through LinkedIn filters that I've set up myself. I wouldn't be even checking your resume or profile. Quick pause. When was the last time you've actually reviewed your LinkedIn profile? Take 30 seconds now to open your LinkedIn profile in another tab. We'll be going through some crucial improvements together. Basically, if you want to be noticed, you need to make sure that your profile is being seen by the recruiter or the hiring manager. And in order to do that, you'll not only need to pass the screening questions, but your LinkedIn profile should be visible and attractive. When I moved to the Netherlands for work, I didn't have an EU passport. If I relied only on job boards, I would never pass those screening questions about visa sponsorship and would never be hired. But instead, I focused on my LinkedIn and networking. And within weeks, I got job interviews and a job that changed my life. I learned how to use LinkedIn, not as a resume, but as a landing page and a networking tool. Now I teach others do the same. And that's how most of my clients get jobs and start building their careers. And this isn't just my story. One of my clients in Canada was stuck for years and kept getting rejections from all of her online applications. But once we optimized her LinkedIn and she started sending right LinkedIn messages, she had 3 job offers to choose from. Check out her review over here. Think about your LinkedIn profile right now. Is it just a copy of your resume, or is it truly showcasing your value? Keep this question in mind as we continue. Stop thinking of LinkedIn as your resume. Think of it as your personal landing page. When it's optimized, it tells people who you are, why you are valuable, and why they should reach out to you. Once you make this shift, you'll see LinkedIn is not only about job searching, it's about creating opportunities. Your profile is your biggest asset. If it's boring and incomplete, people will just scroll past you. I've explained in my previous video how to make LinkedIn your landing page. Check this video in the description below. When recruiters land your page, they decide in 5 seconds if you're worth talking to. Your goal is to make them think, wow, this person is exactly who we are looking for. Step 1. Optimize your profile. Make sure your headline is not just your job title. Make it clear who you help and how. For example, instead of a recruiter at X, say that you're a recruiter helping professionals land jobs internationally. Drop a comment below with your headline, and I will review a few comments and let you know how you can improve it. Your About section. Tell your story in a conversational way. Why do you do what you do? What's your unique value experience? Don't just list duties. Show impact, numbers, results, projects. Have you updated your profile photo recently? If not, this is your sign to do it. A friendly professional photo plus a banner. Reinforce your positioning. Step 2. Build the right network. Connections matter, but not random connections, the strategic ones. Start connecting with recruiters in your industry, hiring managers, and people who work at your dream companies, and other professionals in your niche. Quick exercise. Write down 3 companies you'd love to work for. Now pause this video and search for the hiring managers on LinkedIn. How many potential connections did you find? But here's the mistake most people make. They just click connect without context. That's like walking up to someone on a networking event and saying nothing. Don't just click connect. Send a short, personalized note. Hi, name. I admire the work your company is doing in the area. I'd love to stay connected here. This one sentence can open doors faster than 50 job applications. In fact, one of my clients got hired by just sending 3 of those messages to the right people. No job boards, no endless applications, just LinkedIn. Have you tried sending personalized connection requests before? Did it lead to any meaningful conversations? Share your experience in comments. Step 3. Engage and add value. Posting daily on LinkedIn is not necessary, but you need to be visible. Think of LinkedIn as a dinner party. You don't need to shout all the time, but you do need to join conversations. Here's how to do it without burning out. Comment on posts in your industry with thoughtful insights. Share one useful tip or lesson from your work. Once a week, celebrate achievements, yours or from your network. Before moving to the next step, go find one interesting post in your industry and leave one thoughtful comment. This builds your reputation as someone active, helpful, and trustworthy. And trust is what gets you hired. Step 4. Outreach and messaging. Instead of applying cold, use LinkedIn messages to start conversations. Example. Hi, name. I noticed you are hiring a role with my background in X. I believe I could add value. Would you be open to a quick chat? Short, clear, and human. This is all it takes. But please, make sure if you are using AI, you make it personalized. Make it human. Make sure that the person on the other side of the screen thinks that you've put enough effort in that message. And now here's a secret mindset shift. LinkedIn is not about chasing opportunities, it's about creating them. I've seen people going from unemployed to fully booked with job offers and clients by simply using this system. And you can do it too. What's your biggest takeaway from those LinkedIn strategies? Share it in the comments below. Your insight may help someone else. So here's the bottom line. Stop wasting time applying to hundreds of jobs. Optimize your profile, build your network, and use messaging to create conversations. That's how LinkedIn turns from a CV to the most powerful opportunity machine. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to check more step-by-step strategies about job search and career growth, check out my other videos. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and notification to stay updated with more career boosting strategies. And hey, if you've already started implementing those in your job search journey, I'd like to hear your feedback. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.